Mujabat. Yara Raju. Your Excellency, sir.
Like I said before, our main motive of coming here is to give solidarity to our brother, the governor of Bauchi State, Senator Bala Mohammed, the Kauram Bauchi, and all we have discussed is to see how, by the grace of God, being a gift to the people of Bauchi, he will win his election come 2023. So all our discussion had to center about his election, and we're out to give him all the necessary support as our friend, as our brother in the same political family.
It is no longer a secret that I wrote a letter to the party on my position in Bauchi, what I have found out to be working against me as a leader and as a first-term governor going for my second term. And I wrote it with all honesty and sincerity and with a deep sense of fidelity. And that is why the party invited me to go and discuss with the flag bearer of the PDP, our leader, Atiku Abubakar. And we discussed extensively, and I have gotten some explanations because the letter I wrote was not only written by me, it was written by the PDP family in Bauchi and the government of Bauchi. And that is why I was there and we discussed extensively. As for the G5 governors, I always joke with them that I am a G1, but I'm inexorably connected with them. We have always been together, and you know it. Governor Wike, Governor Ortom, Governor Fezua, and of course Ogwanyi, they have been here several times, and I have gone to them several times. And I think this is some of the takeaways I have as a governor, having friends for life. So I'm everywhere, but of course it doesn't mean that I'm nowhere. Thank you very much.
That we are here for reconciliation. We have never closed the door for reconciliation. All we are saying for equity, fairness, and justice. That's not, in fact, that is the hallmark of what PDP stands for equity, fairness, and what? Justice. We are here, we have never closed door, and we will not close door. All we are saying, look, let the right thing be done. If the right thing is done, you will see how the whole place will be, the whole country will know that the election is over. This is the bedrock of the party. This G5 you are seeing, we are the bedrock of the party. So we will not close the door for reconciliation. We are open for reconciliation any day, anytime. Thank you.
And I want to say that was not what I meant when I was captured saying that. But all the same, I know that it will amount to logical fallacy if people have taken it the way I did. But I want to say to those who are offended by my remarks, I didn't mean that. I'm sorry about that.